In this quarter, we not accept lie. We prosecute every dancehall member in Jamaica and give them a lawyer to see for them side of the story. This is what them say.
Alright, morning everybody, morning.
Morning, Judge, morning.
Up top, what going to ready with? Brother, you come here every day to sit there. You can't go in your yard. Go in your yard, brother.
I have to come back here, please.
So go in your yard then. Oh! Stay there, man.
Shame.
Alright, so Governor. So, what they going? So, Governor, you know, say me see one lawsuit from somebody will say you take with them gal. No. What they going? What that for? Alright then.
I mean, Judge, me bring Keisha for inform on him.
Walk one Keisha with the flat stomach.
Dirty Governor, you chat too much.
And then I'm a court, man. Hey, and then I'm a court. Anyways, so, Governor, all life I cheat you.
Life is sweet like me dip it in a honey.
So, Governor, I don't know, me can't understand what me now. You see me? I can't understand what me. Explain.
Man start hype to them make a piece of money.
We're not saying.
1 mil Jamaican, that a strip of money.
Oh, so what?
Judge, I chew me the chat pan cash, so me just borrow some from him, and that's why I'm going, so.
When you go a Zimmy party, have your liquor money.
Alright, everybody shut up.
A long time me like a waste man for shut up, man. Chat them out.
Stinking mouth boy, you know you be shut up.
Judge, me pay 15 grand to lock him up.
Boy, move and yes with your little bit of money.
So hold on, Governor. Yeah, I said that a little bit of money, me make 5 grand a week. How much? So, what you want for me?
Go over there so with your little bit of money.
Take a one trip to the shop. What? Never know, say me on a rice. So me go to road for a rice. We just get a link with the rice. And we just trust the rice. Run a one boat now, come me too hungry.